So we're going to ride the tail of the dragon today.
Yes. Colors are changing. So we are going to dip our toe into the Blue Ridge Mountains.
Yes.
We're going to go and check out some specific motorcycle campgrounds. You know that we love to check out different types of camping and different types of campgrounds. So we have never stayed in a campground that's specifically targeted for motorcycles. We're still tent camping, so I'm not really for sure what the difference is, other than maybe they offer different type of lodging for when you ride a motorcycle.
I think they make different types of lodging, and they're motorcycle friendly.
So that when you want to go out on your great motorcycle adventure, you can say, hey, I want to go to the Blue Ridge Mountains. Where can I stay? We got you covered.
That's it.
But
All
we
right.
might be cold.
Might be cold. It might change completely, but that's something about living on the road. You got to be able to be flexible.
We're on the road. Yay.
Alrighty then. My nose.
In case you're wondering, Richard is allergic to the entire state of Tennessee.
I have something in my sinuses, and towards the end of the day, it gets me.
Yeah.
The mornings are fun, but towards the end of the day, man,
Something in the state.
something in the state.
This is it. This is what it looks like on the video or
Okay.
on the picture.
Okay.
I don't know where we go from here, but
Okay, where are we going today?
we are going to the Bushtec factory to get new shoes on Bertha. That's the trailer, by the way.
Yes, and we're going to take a tour of it.
Yeah.
So I'm excited because we have had this Bushtec trailer for years.
For
and
about 5 years now, isn't it?
Yes.
I think so.
And we have raved about it, in fact, and we just absolutely love this trailer. I'm not for sure if I could have done this season without this trailer. And I know a lot of people can do that and live off their motorcycles, but I guess Chris likes to bring some extra stuff.
Well, here's the thing too, with the trailer, you don't have to get crazy packing and strategic and stuff. You can literally pack a suitcase that you're used to traveling with, throw it in the trailer, throw your extra stuff that you want, and then hit the road. Everything's covered, everything's concealed, everything is lockable, and it's if the rain happens, you know everything's going to be dry.
We are at the Pumpkin Motorcycle Campground.
Yep.
And we are going to head through Knoxville. It's about an hour away. The factory
Bushtec,
is.
yeah, it's
north.
in Jacksboro, yeah.
Yeah.
And it's north of Knoxville.
So that's where we're headed. We'll see y'all there.
Awesome. Some of them are used, I know. But...
Look at that green.
I know.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, look at this one. Look how big this is. Holy crap. Look at the size of this thing, Chris. Look at the storage in there. Holy crap.
Wow.
Wow.
That's pretty.
Are you the painter?
Are these your tires?
Yeah, are these the old ones?
Yeah.
I don't know. They had a couple more miles left on them. Feel much more like it does now than it did a while ago?
It was a lot better.
Look at that. I'm assuming 000 means pretty good.
Great service. That's all I can say. Got 2 new tires, 2 tubes, balanced, serviced, everything just like that. Got it done in an hour. Less than an hour.
We are going to stop in at the 129 Harley-Davidson Outpost, and right next door is a bunker biker who has a shop.
He goes by Stitcher Bird, and he sews patches. He sells patches, sews them on, and stickers, and leather vests, and things like that.
So how old is your sewing machine?
It is. They're made in the early 50s.
Oh, okay.
Sometime between 49 and 55.
Wow, that's pretty awesome.
But it's well worth, you know, if you really want to.
Yeah,
Okay, so the dragon behind us,
our son chainsaw carved that.
what's his name?
His name's James Swatzel. We
Okay.
call him Jamie. They call him Shorty.
We're gonna make a quick breakfast. Actually, we're gonna make a quick breakfast burrito. So, what a great way to use some leftovers. We're gonna try Parmesan cheese, throw in a little bit of broccoli before it dies on us, and some onions.
Before it dies on us.
Before it dies on us.
Because it looks pretty bad.
It does. I'm just gonna chop the broccoli up, like really, really small, since it's gonna go into a burrito and not a stir fry. Because they're done. They're way done. Yeah. Way to hold it.
You chop broccoli up in it.
Oh no.
It has broccoli and onion flavor also.
I think I would have been better with just the onion. I don't know for sure if I'm too crazy about the broccoli and
Yeah.
eggs.
It's good though.
Yeah. Cheers.
We just received a Nelson Rig tank bag, and that's what we're doing, is unboxing the Nelson Rig tank bag
For your motorcycle.
for my motorcycle. I've been wanting one, and Nelson Rig reached out to us, and we're going to see how this one works, because this one is not a strap. This one is magnet, and it's made for specifically the Harleys and the Tour. Look at how cute this is.
Oh, that's adorable.
It's actually perfect, because I don't want a big one.
Yeah.
The magnets are really strong.
That is like the perfect size.
Yeah, it is. It looks like the perfect size, doesn't it? And the magnets, those are way better than that one we had that last time.
Yeah. So let me ask you, will these magnets scratch the tank?
I don't believe so, because they're padded. If you look here, they're all
Oh, okay.
But that's a perfect size, if you ask me.
Mm-hmm. That's a good place to be. We're like right in the center of everything.
Yeah. Here's the Dragon. Here's the 129 where he was talking about it, and then there's the Chiahola Skyway.
Okay.
Right,
Chiahola.
Hala.
Wow. Look at all of these
Yeah.
rides.
I know, look at them.
Look, golly, you can do a Cripple Creek run, Watts Bar Lake run,
Here's
the
South
Bootlegger.
Carolina.
Oh, nice. So Richard and I are just in awe of all the different roads and routes and little squiggly lines and more squiggly lines. And who makes this map?
I don't know.
Where can you get this map?
freemapman.com. We have talked about riding different dragon tails in different states like Oregon and Colorado.
Yes.
And things like that. So today,
And we've always said that we've never ridden the tail of the dragon, so we have nothing to compare it to.
yeah.
So
So we're going to ride the tail of the dragon today.
yes.
And if you see it, I already have the patch because I stopped by the patch guy and got that because I knew I was going to ride it today anyway.
Shout out to Sticker Bird.
Okay.
Here's some of the advice that we have been given, and we're
From
gonna
the
go
locals.
from
These
the-
are from the locals here
from
too.
the locals. Number one is ride the tail earlier in the day than later because it gets crowded.
Mhm.
Number two is we are used to curvy roads, but we're used to curvy roads out west, and there's not a lot of people. Here it's different because there's curvy roads, blind corners, and there's a lot more people, cars and bikes.
And one of the things that they're saying now that the tail of the dragon in this area is, it's become so popular with car enthusiasts and sports cars. So we've been told, maintain your lane for sure. Always maintain your lane, and don't be surprised coming around the blind corner and somebody is sideways drifting in a corner.
Yes, and they also said it can get, even for an experienced rider, it can get intimidating when you're coming around a corner and coming the other way
Well-
is 20 crotch rods.
Well, it sure is beautiful. Oh, wow. Boy, that kid's flying. I'm right here. You'll see me. I'm going to pull up.
To the
and I'm
left?
gonna- Yep.
Okay.
Say hi. Hi.
Hi.
And then I'm going to pull over here. Look how far that's been. We made it.
Oh my gosh. Okay, we can now officially say we've been on the tail of the Dragon. We can now compare it to the other things that we have ridden that have called themselves the Dragon, and there is zero comparison.
Zero comparison compared to the real Dragon.
Oh, what a fun road that was.
It is. It's a blast.
Yes. And you don't have to worry. There's lots of things that you need to be aware of, but gravel in the road is not one of them. And I think that's what we've always encountered on our other Dragon roads. And so when you're, you know, not worrying as much about road debris in a corner, you can have so much more fun in the corner.
It is good.
What did you think of it?
I loved it. I thought it was awesome. Got to drag my floorboards a few times. I was very happy.
It was fantastic.
Any later than this time of year, probably? You may have to watch out for the leaves and stuff, but so far it's been really good.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
awesome. Can't wait.
And we hit it early enough that there was only hardly anybody on it, and just one person passed us.
Yep.
So
Little hot rod on a little DRZ 450.
he was flying.